Obwansu bw'omuguzi. Mwanchomo ligerelia bigataseni Ndizi TV ninde nogo semerenga nogenda takoba gukwimanya na kwegokia na gwesemiane miroberi togenda takoba to kwariganira ime ya Ndizi TV kurwakete wikira litko lya lero chitariki 14 cy'umutenyoka no mwaka w'ikirubere na 24 ENSA EYEMO bono botuko litko lya Jumapili ngo kwarigania asentunda ende chitariki 14 mwanchomo ligerana lyekeombeke lyageterenete amagori ya mabuta kenyara kobage koralia bene anena magori AMAYIA ya amabuta gati yabo okogwa kweligori lya epetroli kurwa asechiringe EYEMO na na kianda wikira emia EYEMO na 93 aseboigo amabutari diesel biganyara kobaga kugwa ase chiringi 10 kurwa ase EYEMO na 90 wikira emia EYEMO na 53 ngati anda mango mwanchomo ligerelia toko wariganetie ase nchire wikira no marogo ya bono ngo kwarigania tonyare koba toko yasanga kolende ngora nanda sege kagitari getambe nyara koba toko sanga munainga nyare koba gwata kurwa keto wikira chinga kibunechi. Weterase enchira yemitandao na bogo tobwate buna Ndizi TV News digital yinero Facebook na bogo YouTube Ndizi TV News weterase website ya www.ndizitv.net marago yabono mwancho moligeria uliokoneka buna chivicha muneli uchago chira senchira yobo ikirani gakuru kwa Sara MOMANYI hiliterane nguru kwa JOSEPHAT AMISI okwarigana nyara ko batoko muna ikuru muchakano ngoikera omwelio mayensa ya molitukolia Jumapili niko toko ya chakurwa se bunge ya bobasi sensemo ya MCA gosegati ya MCA kurwase constituency yabo basi banyereko bagwesokia na koerera ogotaisanika kwabo amona emiroberi ya magendro yenyereko bigikera ni gwase constituency eyo no muchumbe gwensemo eyo Innocent Obiri bakorawa amono MCA bwa eko we ward area ya Masige East Michael Mutume nigo banyarako babako batoka a petition go chiase o muchumbo yo sebatebire nigo egatia magendra agenda takobaga go ikeranirwa ase CHINSA echona boigo chiwodi chinde chinyinge ekyanyale koba chikoebwa nonyana bo nigo banyara koba boigo gosegati aba MCA boigo banyara koba guikirana aso omo enkwana eyo no mo MCA wodi ya Masige West Jacob Bagaka oyibo igo nyale koba gakoralia nagotebabu na edaracha gosoboraro obwanyarete koba bogwateka ase omwaka oyo monyale koba weta nigo banyale koba gotango bonjorere bwabo tambe na boigemero ya betambe serikali sebo ino banyare ko bakomubolia omochumbe oyo Innocent Obiri anyare ko bagweso kya sobwango na kweneke buno boraro banyare ko babokorosi gwa senchira yobo ikirano gatia yanda mange ayibanyara ko bakoralia se petition ya bonga gotomonyo muri kyoito Mildred MOMANYI
Omo MCA we wadi ya Masige East Michael Mutume bako bwatera nomo MCA o Masige West Jacob Bagaka nigo bakora egekaro nabaliki amangana asoko maganya omobunge wensemeyo ya bobasi Innocent Obiri uchakobaga amagendro asichi wadi chonsi ISANO na ISATO wancherelia konde gwensi gotayo asekolengana barbo nigo wadi ya boitangare asomo jumbe akurwa erenke asegeyarore kanne konyora chibesa che budget chinyinge gekole ngani wanechi wadi chinde kurwa asensemeyo
na yaiga togo kwana kuritangani kabisa tigayamanyikanenga taliye segi yokorwania oyororo umujumbe oito obobasi taliyo segi ende twaregete gose ya kisiasa no kuboria kwa niaba y'abantu baito ayabarengete etobwate chi ward 8 asebobasi ne chibesa tokonyora bune constituency korwa se national government ekire between 170 million to 201 million chigo chase constituency yabo basi na ase miaka ye sita asichuwodi echo nchibe kirororo na na chinkuru chiabo tichire ngaini chons omosiko biri akurwa se ward yabo itangale eyere enkepi in terms of voter registration eitu agete chikura cha last elections ase miaka sita ase ward ye EYEMO erenke as chonsi ya nyore chibesa chikuru kunga 81.7 million forming part of our petition which is OBCI mono ya CDF a call fair allocation ye chibesa
of resources is done by the number of people who live in that area and the land mass and the poverty index. In the bitatu bikulu yakara ko allocate resources to a certain place. Nwane remnale omujumbo babasi iga konyola chibesa chinyinge kubwa chi constituency chinde because he has a vast area babasi geren in terms of land mass and they brought more people or population of babasi gerigoro.
Nigo bamumochirie asogotekerania egatia magenderero ase bunge yo egatia abo ogotabeka ensemo chibesa chechigosori buna chibunge chinde.
The constituency yoke which has never benefited from the sports fund. Tima tinga obiria kagora chitaka kwamba akabwa iskari getia kabata ulemo banane wakumupira bweka. Tama tinga ba na youth mbaro muna bona babungite school batakire ko participate in these activities egero bwari boke. And I want to back on that Masige West, Masige East, na Vasingima, rate of crime ya very igoro. No kwa igoro is because these youths are idle. Mheshimiwa Uberi, we respect you, but you cannot fail to do your role. I want to ask nabantu wa Masige Mbalgerete. Epara Uberi agokora Masige West na East is only one. He refused completely. We talked to him, he refused to add and road kurusti ward EVERLYNE.
Transformer na alika chilichibwata priority areas asatagete chigende akapa central transformer isano akapa chache transformer isato
sechinga kecho nigo bamumochirie omo OCS onyamache asogotenia okorobekana gwetera anseli uko uchiase omo MCA omasige East ukwogo kageire gochia koba ankyo iguru yoko gwagwe daraja asegeka kyomwako yomobono asenonya na babate biremba chikogendera no korobekana ukwo kwa morembe.
We have a letter here from the OCS of Nyamache cancelling of a peaceful demonstration. No montori getiriwe yata kire kubwa tu abe kume geko gara na kiora cancel a peaceful demonstration. He could have said I'm cancelling an illegal demonstration. He's saying he's cancelling a peaceful demonstration. This police officer who wrote this one in the influence of Oviri is in trouble because again he goes ahead to be he is the spokesperson of the CDF office. He has read the petition from Mutume. He has sought to answer and he is saying the reasons for cancellation comes in due to the facts. Number one, care engineers visited the site. Who told the police officers to come and take care officers? Who asked the police officers of Nyamache, Baba Banyapara, we are elected by the people to represent them. Wancha, Totuaromo Jumbe, or Muireko innocent. Innocent, but then we chose you the way you are. Please start knowing something. And tomorrow, we have no business with the police. We are not fighting the police. We are only presenting a petition. Baga basome constitution article number 37. Eba erese categorically ninki batakire okora when people present petitions. Our duty will be to gather in Nyamache, CHINSA to Chiamambi, to be roro, to eresa manganaya. To ganda bake bridge. To go ikase bridge mutume tonyanga ya gachiru. Aba antongo etebane chigaringo etachire. We stop there and to basakwa ndamagandro.
Mambia tume ane Nyamache asogote yabantu baitekene na gotena boronge. We cannot wait any longer. We cannot yabantu baito na constituency ito ya tuwa robo tantanu and to cover part of that robo tantanu we katore a solution.
Watalia egeta seni kia Ndizi TV elitaliane Mildred Momanyi.
Yomono moliki oito Mildred Momanyi asoroboti rwa senchira yobo ikrano mwancho morigere no kunyoli tunga ensemo ya kabere yamaya ENSA EYEMO bono nigo trachikoba to komerana amonere oroyo yakurunga mamakayai lintanyara kora bato gusanga amonera bange nigo momanyete buna oyomo bwa abalia abagosolie bukwegia ase omoroberio oyo gotoka ase gitasenia kemo gititibi mense ya Kenya ase boigo akweroka mama kaya na boiga bange bamumanyete nigo ari omongina bumugaka bwaye buna omongina na boigo omogosore bw'ichigo solie chiria chiokoiya togo suka motwe buna enchira EYEMO yogosira amasomo gose chisemi na boigo obumanyi bwekerero gose digitally nigo litko lia lero obotendi bwa college EYEMO kura sense moya suneka yikorongwa korista yanyara kobagego chakiwa bene kuregana mo director bwa college eyo nigo atebire kerenge kereno konekia buna abamenyi bomochi osuneka buna boigo chinsemo chiri chietana ina semeyo banyara koba kwemanya na boigo gwesomya igoro yechi computer buna enchira EYEMO hiyo konyara koba gwesira na boigo twara obumanyi sobo koreri bwa kirali tuko egati yabamenyi na boigo abonjoreria kurwa somo cyo yosuneka nigo banyara koba ko kerege tambokero ekyo na koboria bange banyara koba bakwerikia moneskuru iyo asekerenga gikonyara chisemi chechi computer unagotomonyo morikyo ito EVERLYNE OSERO
Eriogo kinie birenko biechsemini gobone skuru ya Korista Training College yegoro bene ensemo ya suneka asaba iboli babori we korikia bana babo
asama litangoro kwa JOSEPHAT Mogaka igasuneka ninka se college yenye ya chire kwa Korista Training College anda maene yentonda batebya bayibuli twabere no moko monena so twale college muneye kiagera ne chibokonya abana samangana digital kyarabona ya technology asia ikire abagina nabagaka ntruchi wekaransa tengense eri yakare toreta abana iga abali mbara igamba bwato bumanyi bwekarango kegoro mono elinde abana baito banyare ko bakubri skill chingia elinde bakonye kenyoro amane society bona gatomenyete
neskuru ekorwa chikos au asabaro kiwa bekerengo kende yonsi
iya college yenkorwa chikos au tubata mangana computer engineering chikosi na chiabo IC3 gumwana ne bata quality form 4 na bagocha iga abwate course ya computer elinde mokonya asubungo wa mambi na bana bali batanya arete ko so university ko college kirimo mayete chinene chobona bitali bwalimu abana abo no bagocha iga bachakire certificate bagende diploma bagende bakore none degree
omo director bwe skuru yo Dickson Onyanko ni gaine kiabu namba bwatemero biro au eriogo ikirania amasomo asenchira ebwenerete.
Among the other things which are going to be done in the college includes we are going to have digital learning or digital platform where people shall be able to learn from home and also online physical classes. We have enough facilities for that. Then we are aiming higher to even increase other facilities, increase rooms and the rest. But for now, we have a capacity of up to 150 students per session. So all are welcome to join the school ili wasome pamoja nasi.
Abaigane gati abaria bakonyekire ase skuru yega ase bawakangambia mono ase obasemya babere bakonyora
ntitwalinga batange ngo soise college gabuna abagaka gusubina abana boda boda buche kusoma ikurinde college yega yeito in fact mwalimu otolete ya college yega na umwalimu gabuna tolete skuru yega buna atarachi gochaka in fact natubundise te computer kubateka bibi tukabata at least mbale tukabona tuamanyire bono buna enchomo gaka ndanyari gukurikira computer rirube na gugutumira masomo topakerinye rasma tware certificate ya kirasi komna ibere asama nyo wade pata ability mareto mano yakora masomo ega ambira mambende akonye supermarket yeto chesune kama
egati abaro kiwani go bato yeskuru ya sobo korero buya bwekerengo kibwenerete asibarigania basae elio kwenyorera obosemya.
Korista College is the best place to be, and as far as computer skills is concerned, I would like to tell you that to join this place is, as a student in this place, my experience is that we have the best teachers here who are skilled and they know how to handle students effectively, and the way at which they deliver the content is very good. And I would just like to urge you and encourage you that this is a good place to be. And some of the services that they provide here are good and of high quality, and for that reason, welcome and welcome. Thank you.
Nokuboria kwa ruwe wasabanto kwajerera elio kwenyorera libaga ase skuru yo na konyorobo semya igoro yobo tumeki nobo manyi which computer asenchira ya moyo wekonya ase amatukaribucio.
Tunahimiza wanafunzi kuja na kujiunga nasi katika shule yetu college ambayo ni ya kisasa.
College ega nebwata mabaga isaine ayira bwango elinde mwana oganya ariko norachise mechi twakwanire.
Ngoripoteri ya Ndizi TV erietariane EVERLYNE OSERO.
Mwanchomo ya torigireria ariko bagago korekana isko yorogongo rwa gusiritwe rero nigo murahivu ense Dr. William Ruto anyarakoba gakora abarayibanda somo yega bwamasabu nabo igomo yega bwo kugenda ase omutimo ko kurwa sobokoreri omo referent we kanisa ya ACK ya sensemo ya Nyeri oyo kurukwanere Joseph Kagunda omoyega oyo nigo nyarakabokoreta amo ababwatani be kanisa eyo ya ACK gati yabo Jackson Ole Sapeto ibo igole omo archbishop we kanisa yo okwana nigo Dr. William Ruto nyarakobaga kogokera ebi tambukiro bye serikali ya nyarakoba kwirana kwene kiabuna amagori ya egati ebinto anyarekobaga okay wagati yabo ligori ryobosi nigo boigo nyarakabaga goteba okugwa kweligori ryobosi nabo igori ya mabuta nenchira EYEMO yogokeya egurube hiyo yanyarekoba gekoba enkongu nenditogo cyase omukenyo kawaida.
Miezi chache ama karibu mwaka moja iliyopita watu walikuwa na wasiwasi mambo yanaenda namna gani, lakini niliwaambia we must make the right decisions. Leo ile bei ya unga ilikuwa 200, saa hii inakaribia 100. Dola ilikuwa imefika 160, saa hii iko hapa 120 something. Na bado mafuta ndio ile ilikuwa pale, mumeona hata leo imeanguka na shilingi 10 just today. Because we are making the right decisions. We are not making popular decisions. And Kenya is going to go forward. Hii Kenya itabadilika tukiona kwa macho yetu. So mimi nawauliza fellow leaders in Kenya, we must focus because we have a historic opportunity to change Kenya. Zile nchi ambazo ziko mbele yetu walitutangulia, leo wamekomesha umaskini. Leo watu wengi wao wanafanya kazi. Leo they are industrialized. They have made progress. It is because they made the right decisions and leaders led from the front. That's what we're going to do. So I want to encourage fellow leaders. Viongozi wenzangu, MCA, wabunge, magavana, maseneta, sote tushirikiane. Mungu ametupatia nafasi ya kipekee kubadilisha nchi yetu.
Chingaki echecho nigo omurayibwense William Ruto nyarakobaga koburia barayibonsi abo banyarekoba bagochorwa amo na bakenya banyarekoba gwetoma sobo koreri bwabo bwakirari tukasekerenga gyogoikirani emerobelio yamagendro ase chinsemo chiri abanyarekoba bagochorwa umuyego ibo nigo nyarakoba goikiraniwa amo no mukonyi bo murayibwense Rigathi Gachagua nyarakobaga koburia okongusana no kwanyarekoba korekana soboteneri bwekanise ya ACK banyarekoba bokogaya no senchira yobo roro na boigo kugania no botenelio bo bolia anene banyata ko bokwira ekina ase kigambiro bonyare ko babokorusie kine kyo na boigo gucha komurobere bokugayana chitabauti chabo isko yekegambiro.
Sote tunajakuliwa kwa mapenzi ya Mungu, ndivyo Biblia inavyosema. Na tumechaguliwa sio kutafuta umaarufu. Tumechaguliwa kuongoza na kufanya kazi ya wale Mungu ameweka chini yetu. And it is important for me to say this to all leaders. Kwa sababu naona viongozi wengi wanahangaika, wanasumbuka, wakitafuta umaarufu, wakitafuta kupigiwa makofi. Mimi nataka niwaambie viongozi, you have not been elected to be popular. You have been elected to lead and to serve.
I want to plead with our Christians and the clergy. Please, let the transition from Bishop Kagunda to the new bishop be peaceful and non-confrontational. As your son, please honor us. When we read the papers and we find men and women of God are in court over leadership, we feel a little bit down. The legacy of Bishop Kagunda will be torn into pieces if the news we shall be reading is about a fight over who succeeds him. The Archbishop has explained the Constitution. It sounds very transparent and very easy. I want to appeal to those who have gone to court, please, now that the Archbishop is coming to start the journey for transition, go and withdraw those cases, allow the Archbishop to manage the transition, to give us a new bishop to come and lead us.
Nere omuwakipisho bwe kanisa ya ACK imense ya Kenya Jackson JOSEPHAT nigo nyarakoba gagwikira nase omujego yochinga kanyarakoba gakoboria abarai banyarakoba kwenekia buna banyareko bago chena chimbwa chiabo nabo igogo kora emiremo heri banyarakoba bago chorwa amona ba Kenya nenga nabo igo nyarakoba gego segetwa nere omo referendo yunyarakoba gakoenda asomotimo ko yobo koreri bwa emiremo sensemeyo Joseph Kagunda oibugo nyarakoba gakogokera emirobiri ya magendere nyarakoba yukera niwa amane serikali ya Kenya Kwanza.
That is a challenge we have every day as leaders. Even the things that are not obvious, people still expect you to know and understand. Things that are not straightforward, you are still expected to have the ability to perceive and dig deeper and process and get the right judgment and view of things. This is what we all need. As leaders in the church, my bishops, as the President of the Republic of Kenya, as the deputy and all other leaders, as head of businesses, heads of corporations, we need the Spirit of God of discernment and clear understanding of how things look like.
Tushikilia serikali yetu, hii serikali ni yetu. Tulipigania mpaka ikaingia. Ilipoingia tukafurahi na tunasikiza kila siku. Tukisikia unga inaanguka kidogo tunasema Bwana asifiwe. Tukitoa hata kodi tunasema Bwana asifiwe, kwa sababu tunajua tukielekea mahali fulani itakuwa sawa. Si ndio? Kwa hivyo sisi wote tufuate president wetu, tumfuate kabisa, kuna kuangalia.
Roboti oruoruaye omwakibishop we kanisa ya ACK Jackson JOSEPHAT mwanchomo ligereria arogo tekiase omotimo motangani bwa AMAYIA ENSA EYEMO bono tukolitkolia Jumapili ngana kulireira asentunda ya kabere magega yomotimo ko mokendo nyara ko batogoswa sensemo ya kabere studio astora nyara ko batokomerana amonere mama kayayi litalia ye bene nigakorukwa Mary Kavere abange bamanyete buna mama kayayo nyareko koba gati abanyangongo ase chigosori cyoko egia se CTV ao imense ya Kenya abange bago nigo bamanyete buna nigo are igao are omongena gose omwanchi oyebo mogaka oria muze ojuanga serie talia Benson Wanjao Uyonyalete kobaga korwa soboiko bwense kolende gataseni Ndizi TV ni gogia koriro mukia kigima na komerana amona makayi chinga kibono ngoko warigania senchire boikirano asentunda ya kabere kulenda sebono tigatogende asomotimoko omwenge kigima togenda toskale nan tonyara ko batoko sensemo ya kabere studio tonyara ko ba togosanga nabo igoko mu manyamono mamakayi nerengo.